Hello, my name is Arcadio from the group Rogue Coders. The vulnerability I worked on is unrestricted file upload. This is a secure risk because if a web application accepts dangerous file types without proper validation, an attacker can upload malicious files to a server. So let me just run the file first, the script, and show you the output on the terminal. The output shows that the server accepted multiple dangerous file types, including PHP, Python, and HTML files. It also shows that those uploaded files were publicly accessible through the uploads directory. Here we can see PHP file accepted, no restrictions, Python file, HTML file, and all the accessible files. Now, I'll briefly walk through the code and explain what it does. At the top, I import the request library and define the target URL. I also define the multipart boundary used to format the upload request. This section builds a multipart post request that uploads a PHP file to the target. Then it sends the request and reads the server response to see whether the file appears to be accepted. Here, the script checks the server response and looks for indicators that the uploaded file was stored in the uploads folder. If those values appear in the response, the script reports that the file was accepted. Then the script repeats the same process with other file types, including Python file and an HTML file. This helps test whether the application blocks dangerous extensions or accepts multiple unsafe formats. After uploading the files, the script verifies whether they are publicly accessible by requesting their path directly. If they return a success status, that suggests the files are not only accepted but also reachable from the web. And finally, the script prints a summary of the findings. The main conclusion is that the server accepted multiple unsafe file types and exposed them publicly, which represent a serious security issue. Now I'll show my GitHub branch for this contribution. This is my branch, Arcadio file upload RCE, where I added my contribution. And here's the master branch after my work was merged in. This shows that my contribution was merged into the team repository. That completes my contribution for this vulnerability. Thank you very much.